Hi everyone, we're doing an unboxing here of the new camera that I've just bought. A few people have asked what my filming setup has been, and up to now I've just been using older mobile phones just put up in the coach, which works well. They have their own batteries, they have their own internal storage, all that kind of stuff. But I bought myself a camera, so I'm just going to do an unboxing now. So it's going to be a DJI Osmo 5 and the DJI Mic2 as well. Anyway, this is how the box comes. Just standard box. So I got this direct from the DJI store, and the reason I did that was because they were able to actually get this to me a whole day before Amazon were, and also because of some offers they've got on the store at the moment, I was able to get the Mic2 in with it for a good price. So it's come direct from the DJI store. So let's pull these tabs. They're a little bit stiff. And let's see what we got inside. The DJI stuff on the top there. Got a little bit of packaging in there, but we've got the DJI Mic2. And we've got the Osmo Action 4 itself here. Wrapped up in plastic wrap on that one. Just plain box on that one. That's just packaging, and I'm guessing probably just my my little slip. I'm not going to show you that because it's got my address on it, but that's just the slip. Okay, we'll get that out of the way. Just to say, I also bought one of the recommended cards for it. So that's the Lexar Pro 1667X, 256 gig. And V60 was the other important bit, but it had to be a minimum of V30. So I've got the 250 meg one. So that's the card that's going to go inside it. What should we start with? Should we start with the Osmo Action 4, I think? How are we going to get into this? Now, if I'd have been prepared and haven't done unboxing videos before, I would have a means of getting into the plastic wrap. So just give us a second and I will find something. Okay, back with some scissors. And we will go, there's a tab there I noticed, but let's go down the side here. You can tell that I'm definitely not any good at unboxing stuff. Oh well, let's try the old rip it off method. It's a bit more fun that way anyway. Right, so box, as I said, it's got a tab. It says open there on it, so we'll go for open as best we can. Okay. And inside the box we have some Osmo Action 4 camera and some accessories. Let's go camera first. Well, in fact, let's just dip them both out. What else do we have in here? Oh, and we also have a little mini tripod. I'm guessing that's just a little mini handheld tripod. Feels sturdy. We'll open that in a second. Camera says on here, remove the camera before separating the quick release adapter mount from the accessory. Remove, oh I see, okay, yeah, fine. That one has got nothing on it, but let's go with this one first. And in here we have a couple of packets. That one's now empty. So we have the actual cam itself. Oh, that's not the cam, sorry, that is the cradle and the accessories. Okay, so we've got some of those standard screw pins, sticky pad, and that's got somewhere to clip on it. Not quite sure exactly what that one is, but anyway, so that's the camera case, which is made of plastic but still feels fairly rigid. Push power button on top. That must be the lock to get it in and out. Not sure what QS on the side is. Maybe it makes sense on the camera anyway. So that's the case. And then the camera itself is in here. And there we go. DJI Osmo Action 4. Back screen. That's the bottom side. Guessing QS is, no, Q5. QS? No, QS. Guess that's probably quick start, but anyway. Top side. Other side. Right, so that's the Osmo Action 4. And its case. That's what came in the first box. And then the second box, the accessories box. Silica gel, do not eat. Yeah. Okay, just a USB cable. Another one of those same clips like we got in the first box. A whole load of instructions. So quick start guide. Something entirely in Chinese, the full booklet, some funky stickers, a DJI sticker, DJI, and then I'm not sure why you'd want a sticker of a memory card, but anyway, maybe it'll make sense. DJI store card. That I think is a lens ring of some variety. I'm sure someone who knows more than I do will be able to tell me, but I think that's a lens ring. What is this? Ah, oh, 3 batteries. Okay, wasn't expecting 3 batteries, I have to say. That's cool. Batteries in the case with a charge. Oh, you can you charge them in the case. That's quite cool. Don't know if orange light there means charged, partly charged or not. Not sure. But that's 3 batteries in a case. I wasn't expecting that, to be fair, to come in the. Wasn't expecting that to be coming in the camera with it, so that's good find. Thank you DJI for that one. Terribly cool that. Yep, excellent. So we'll get all those boxes out of the way. And then that leaves us just the DJI Mic2 transmitter unit, which is a very light box, but I'm not surprised at that. Another open here. Oh, I see, you're meant to tear across. Didn't get that on the last one, did I? Oh well. And in here we have another silica gel, not worried about that. We have the transmitter instructions, product information, hopefully that's some instructions in there as well. And then this is a padded case, clearly. DJI on it, and hopefully inside goes all the way around. Yet another silica gel. We'll keep that one because I'll leave it in the case. What's on the side there? Oh yeah, another, so standard USB cable on that side there. And in here we have, oh I see, 2 slots. Okay. We have in here, we have a little furry cover. And then we have the actual Mic2 transmitter itself. Okay, that is smaller than I was expecting it to be, I have to say. But that's cool. Clip. Is that a mag? yeah, that's quite a powerful little magnet there. That's nice. That's a nice touch, that. That's quite a powerful little magnet. That's a nice touch, DJI. Well done. Anyway, clip. And I'm guessing, I'm obviously going to assume that the little furry mic cover is going to go on the top, some of that, if you need it for wind noise and stuff. So yeah, that's a bit smaller than I was expecting it to be. But that's cool though, no problem. And that clearly slots in one side there and allows you to have a second mic if you have one in there as well. So that's all good. And I would probably just store it in that side. Maybe that side's slightly bigger than that side. And that could, I don't know. I'll sort it out another time. Anyway, so that's the DJI Mic2 in its soft case. Just to bring the main components, get rid of that as well. Just to bring the main components back again. There's the camera. So here we have just the main components back in frame again. So we should, hopefully it's in frame. Can't see my camera from here, but anyway. So that's the main cam. It's got some weight to it actually. Doesn't feel light and flimsy, which is nice. Got the mounting case for it. And then we've got the DJI Mic2 unit. Okay guys, I think that's probably it for my unboxing. I'm gonna unwrap some of the other bits. I'm not necessarily gonna unwrap it all now, but I'm gonna be using this very shortly. So yeah, hope that's been interesting. Please remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment on this video. Tell me what camera you use. Do you use DJI or do you use GoPro? Or do you use something else? Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think of these ones. Though I know there is an Action 5 that is the more updated version of this. But to be fair, I think this 4 does everything I need it to do and probably more anyway. And of course it's slightly cheaper now because the 5 has come out, so I've got no problem with not having the absolute latest one there, no problem at all. The DJI Mic2 is the most recent version, and I'm hoping, those of you who know I've done some videos of me doing little talking in the coach itself, there's the quality of those is not good at all. So I'm really hoping that DJI Mic2 is going to solve that issue, but we'll see. So as I say, I'm going to unbox some of the rest of the bits. Won't do it on camera here, but yeah, please like, subscribe, leave a comment, tell me what you think. As always, please watch this and the next videos. And when you're driving, drive safe. See you again soon, guys.